So I got these 3-in-1 for Deco Joy. It's like a balloon stand, but I'm gonna use just for one today. The rest I'm gonna do later on. So I'm gonna use the balloon stamp column. So I'm gonna use only one of these in the bar. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and place your metal at the bottom part and then just screw it down. Pretty simple to do. And then after that, we're just gonna use one for now. Use some fluorofoam. I made a hole and I just first measure to see where to put it, and then go ahead and grab a pair of scissors and then just put it through it just to make a hole. Then after that, you're gonna take some double-sided tape, and the reason for this, don't use hot glue because you don't want to damage the stand of your balloon. So just go ahead and use some double-sided tape and attach it into the fluorofoam first, just like that. I have the thick one, but you could use the other one. It doesn't even matter. Then after that, just go ahead and place it inside and bring it all the way down and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my flowers and just go ahead and place the flower, whatever color you're doing, all the way around it like that until you do the whole thing. Then after that, I took the balloon holder. This one comes with it, so which is it's so easy to slide it down. But first I'm going to put the balloon inside, and the good thing about this one that it has like a little hole that you put it inside first, the balloon, and then after you put it inside, you could just go ahead and place the other part down and slide it down so it can hold into place. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my a little few flowers and just place it and hold in around it. Just tape it around just to attach the flower into place like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It's so simple to do and easy that you guys can do at home. If you would like the link for this balloon stamp, please just check out my descriptions box and it will be there, or just check on top and it will be on my Amazon store. It's up to you if you wanted to. Then after that, I'm gonna make it for a taller version. So I'm gonna take this part out and I'm going to use another one and screw it down like that. So I'm just gonna have two of them into place. Then after that, I'm gonna take this teddy bear and I'm going to attach the arm with some double-sided tape. So just go ahead and put some double-sided tape on the arm and then attach it into place. And you're going to do the same thing to attach the leg at the bottom part like that. Then after you do that, I didn't like the tag, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. But then after you cut the tag out, just go ahead and take another fluorofoam, make another hole with a scissor, and then just place it inside, hold it in there. And I'm gonna take my double-sided tape, and the one that I'm using is the thick one, but you could put a few tape all the way around, and this is for the fluorofoam to stay into place and it will not fold down once you put the flower inside. So then after that, just go ahead and fill it up with flour all the way around it. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So cute, so simple and easy that you guys can do at home. You could also change the teddy bear for a Barbie or whatever theme you guys are doing. It doesn't have to be a teddy bear. You could incorporate to any party theme that you guys are doing. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, number 1 or this one that is number 2. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.